This video is a typing review of this 1912 Harris No. 4. Just trying to find a piece of paper here. One should be prepared, but in this instance I am not. This is the 3-bank desktop typewriter manufactured in Fond du Lac, Winston. Fond du Lac. Not sure how you pronounce that. Using a very lightweight paper, and are there any corner theory or fold at the corners? There we go. However, this is a typing sample just to give you a general idea of what the type action is. If you're not used to a 3-bank machine, using one of these is an odd experience. But unlike, for example, on Oliver No. 9, where the arrangement of the keys is slightly off kilter compared to the norm, other than the missing numeral row up top, the arrangement of the keys is the same as a 4-bank typewriter. You just have to keep in mind that you use the figure key for characters and numerals. Other than that, it's fairly self-explanatory. And of course, you have this backwards shift lock, which is a shift release on this machine. Anyways, here we go. there you have it, a typing sample of this 1912 Harris Visible No. 4 desktop typewriter. The platen is not in great shape. It would have to be recovered. It is hard as a rock and it has some minor chips here and there. Definitely well past its prime, but it still seems to hold on to the page. Enough grip is there to not have it slope on one side or have uneven line spacing, as you can see. Typeface is also very good still. Because of the hardness of the platen, there are some inconsistencies here and there, but that's not due to the typeface, more so as it is due to the hard rubber. I am contemplating having this recovered by a professional, since I intend to use this machine quite heavily, and it is such a pleasant typewriter to type on as it sits right here. I can only imagine what it will be like with new rubber. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. Stay tuned for the next one.